Hey, this is Practical IBP with a quick video on the top 5 IBP enhancements that apply to all modules for February 2019, or the release of 1902. Standard disclaimers here, and the links are to the new functionality are in the comments below. So number 5 is going to be the better management of the Excel add-in versions. Before, we used to just send out the Excel add-in and we didn't really know if the user upgraded to the correct or latest version as necessary. So now you can set a default message so a user is identified if they're on a out-of-date version, and then also you can see which users are logging in with which versions. That starts at 8-minute 51-second mark for the what's new in 1902, which I'll leave a link to in the upper right corner. Number 4 is going to be SAP documentation, which normally isn't that exciting, but whenever they do something, take the time to do something like that, you need to call it out. Looks like Anna did some pretty detailed documentation on performance, best practices, etc. on your planning views and templates, so that should be very helpful. That starts at the 5-minute 51-second mark. Number 3 is going to be the Outlier Job Detection. So all you have to do is set up a job and it will monitor all of your existing jobs and identify or notify you when those jobs start to become too long using machine learning. That starts at the 1 hour, 52-minute, 58-second mark. Number 2 is going to be the time series analysis. So last release, they started the time series analysis, but they didn't give you any of the data to see what was going on. And as you can see from the screen now, you can see from the location product level, whether seasonality was detected, what the trend slope was, if there was any white noise or intermittency, things like that. That starts at the 36-minute and 50-second mark. An honorable mention, simply because I think it has great potential, but I'm not sure it's all there yet, so I'm waiting on future releases to see what functionality comes along, and that's going to be the web app for planning. Essentially, it takes that planning view that you have in the Excel add-in and puts it in the browser. So if you just have a tablet or something, maybe a manager or a sales rep or something out in the field, this is an easy way to get some of the functionality of Excel add-in without having to mess with Excel. That starts at the 10 minutes, 6-second mark. And then finally, number 1 is going to be the in-application help and the ability to put in a trouble ticket directly from the screen that you're in. That starts at the 1 hour and 55-minute, 54-second mark. For me, this was huge because it seems to take forever for me to put in a trouble ticket, collect all the information. This will allow you to do the screen scrapes directly on the screen when you see the problem. It should be very helpful. So that's it for the top 5, at least for mine. Please leave your vote for the best in the comments below.